Hello there, my name is Jeremiah, and welcome to the Beyond. Now, this online community is a collection of risk takers, rebels, self starters who are on their own entrepreneurial journey, whether it's from 0 to 1 or 1 to 100. Okay, so this is really a very, very dynamic place with a lot of very interesting folks. So now that you're part of the Beyond, let me show you the interface so that you know how to navigate it better. Our community activities are all on nas.io/beyond. So when you click on that, you will come to this page. Okay. Now the homepage is just a collection of events and also the feed. But let me go through with you specifically each section. So under the feed, this is where you, as a Beyonder, okay, you can actually write your own things. Hello there. Nice to meet you. Things like that, and then interact with the community. But the feed also showcases things like our newsletters, events, meetups, interactions, greetings, things like that. So it's a lot of interaction. Okay, under products itself, there's a lot of different products that you can check out. Guest speakers, people that have visited the Beyond and did speaking engagement. Whether it's talking about LinkedIn, talking about how to profile for sales, how to grow your business, everything. Okay, and then we also have huddle sessions, which is an internal meetup amongst members. And usually during a huddle session, we will invite one business owner or brand builder to share a situation, put them in a hot seat, and then talk about a business challenge that they're trying to overcome. And the community will then offer suggestions for them to actually rise above the challenge. Okay. And then there's also networking amongst the internal Beyond members. Now, there's also knowledge resources. You can go and check out a lot of different things. There's a podcast, there's a referral, and also time where you can book with me, okay, Jeremiah, the founder and facilitator and also community builder of the Beyond. All right. Yeah, I'm super, super psyched. Now, other things that you can look out for is challenges. We do have a few challenges on the way, like build your brand in 10 days, storytelling or sales. We will be adding more as the community grows. Now, this is the exciting part. Under events, you can actually check out all the things to expect from digital, guest speaker sessions, internal huddles, and also in the past, we've had physical meetups. We even have business games where we give out prizes. We have power hour networking. So there's a lot of events that we have been actively creating for the Beyond community. Now, the last thing, which is very, very important, is under the community tab, you can actually check out where everyone is from. You can also look at the people, you can click on them and then you can see their details if they put their details. Okay. And you can even join the WhatsApp chat. So, how you do that is to just click on this, okay, and then click join chat. When you click join chat, immediately you will be brought to a sign up, okay, for the WhatsApp chat group. Now, in the WhatsApp chat group, there's also a lot of different elements. So the main forum, I would say, is the announcement where we share everything that's happening. Okay. We also have a whole bunch of different chats, like the general forum, where people just talk about general things. And then we have the AI, where it's focused on AI and it's very intense. Some of the conversations they have, like things like, yeah, have you experimented with Mind Studio agents? Whether get feedback, Gen Spy, AI Mind Studio are on my list to explore. Yeah, I'm also learning. Okay, there's also Beyond Publishing, where Beyonders share their posts and then we help with engaging with it. Okay. Well, I guess it's kind of like an engagement pod, but we give our real insights and also reactions. Okay. Beyond Pets, this is where we share everything fur kid related, like cats climbing trees or, cats doing tricks, things like that. Yeah, it's a really fun channel to be in. Okay. Now, beyond jobs, this is where we actually share projects, job listings. Now, you as a Beyonder, if you have a project, if you are looking to hire, or if you have an event, you can also share in this forum itself. Okay? A lot of business going around. Yes, so these are the specific platforms that you can check out. So I'm very, very excited to have you join the Beyond. If you have any questions, you can easily reach out to me on WhatsApp. I'm here to champion your journey and cheerlead your success. So let's go to infinity and beyond.